Hello friends, I hope everyone is doing well and enjoying the market volatility. So जैसे कि आप सबको मालूम है कि I am sharing the option trading plan for the last 6 months and it's very important to see the performance report as well. तो मैंने एक गूगल शीट बनाया था इसमें सारे एक्सपायरीज के जितने भी प्रॉफिट है आई हैव अपडेटेड हियर. So this link is already shared in the Twitter on my Twitter profile and I will be sharing it in the description section as well. So you can cross check everything and you can check the profit and gain or loss everything. And if there's any discrepancy, then you can definitely reach out to me via comment section of this video. So just a performance update. जो 18th नवंबर की एक्सपायरी है जो आज खत्म होने वाली है, it had given a profit of around 3300 and जो हमारा net profit है जो हमारा gross profit है it is around 26,000 and the margin that we are using is approximately 50,000. So हमारा जो profit percentage है it is more than 50% in this case, and if we exclude all the brokerage and the cost of trading, then हमारा जो net profit percentage है it is around 42% in that case. So this is about the performance report, and जैसे कि आप लोग देख रहे हो कि it has given a good profit. So there is only one secret about the strategies. One should follow it with the full confidence and also जो भी जितने भी रूल्स हैं वी शुड फॉलो इट. वी शुड नॉट ब्रेक एनी रूल्स एंड हमें लॉसेस भी हुए अबाउट वीक, जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो यहाँ पे 4000 का लॉस है एंड देन इसके ऊपर भी हमें बहुत बार लॉस भी हुए. बट द ओनली थिंग दैट मैटर्स हियर इज कंसिस्टेंसी एंड जो हमने मेंटेन रखी है फॉर द लास्ट 6 months. So I will share this report also so that you can also cross check and verify it. And I will just you can hit the like button of this video if you want more such videos on the option trading plan in the future as well. And if you want us to continue this series for the long term, and you can just hit the like button of this video. And another update is जैसे कि हमारा जो फर्स्ट वीडियो था it was on the base on जो फर्स्ट वीडियो हमने शेयर किया था I just shared the strategy. So yesterday only I had compiled a thread here on the Twitter, so I will share the link as well. And इसमें हमने वही same strategy के बारे में discuss किया था. So you can cross check this again and you can learn from the strategies, and you can also backtest it on the historical data that if you have that data as well. So I have shared the strategy also on the Twitter, and also the first video that we have uploaded on this channel was on the on the strategy itself. So I will just post that link as well on in the description section. So let's start with the option trading plan for 25th November, and before that, we should know what we have. As you have seen that we have took a profit of around 3300. So we should also know the what exactly went, what was जो हमने स्ट्राइक शॉर्ट किए थे तो उसमें क्या स्टेटस है, क्या पूरे एक्सपायरी जो पोजीशन है उसका क्या फाइनल स्टेटस है. सो जस्ट आई एम जस्ट ओपनिंग द ट्रेडिंग व्यू. तो यहाँ पे जो टेक्निकल चार्ट है, तो जैसे कि हम आपने अगर वीडियो देखा रहेगा तो यू कैन जस्ट क्रॉस चेक इट. सो वी हैव शॉर्टेड 18,100 कॉल ऑप्शन एंड जो डाउन साइड है वी हैव शॉर्टेड एट 17,600 पुट ऑप्शन. सो अभी ये जो लास्ट 5 डेज है यहाँ पे, सो वन कैन से दैट ये जो लास्ट के 2 दिन का जो क्लोजिंग है, सो इट वाज अबाउट 18,100 क्लोजिंग. सो यू कैन सी हियर यहाँ पे क्लोजिंग लिखा रहेगा यहाँ पे. सो इट इज 18,109, यहाँ पे 18,102. तो सब लोग बोलेंगे कि यहाँ पे हमारा स्टॉक लॉस हिट हो गया था एंड दिस एंड दैट. सो जस्ट टू क्लैरिफाई इट, जो ट्रेडिंग व्यू के अंदर जो क्लोजिंग प्राइस रहता है इट इज द एडजस्टेड प्राइस जो निफ्टी का रहता है. बट इफ वी सी द इंट्राडे चार्ट, जो अगर इफ वी सी द आवरली चार्ट, तो जैसे वी जस्ट नोट डाउन द डेज. सो इट इज 12th नवंबर एंड 15th नवंबर कैंडल. तो अगर हम देखें कि इस दिन का क्लोजिंग कहाँ पे था ऑन आवरली चार्ट, तो 15th नवंबर क्लोजिंग वाज एट, you can just see the price here. So 15th November closing was at 18,092, which is below 18,100. And जो 12th November का closing था, it is also at 18,098, which is below 18,100. So हमारा stop loss hit नहीं हुआ था ideally, and one should have sit in the position. Exit नहीं करना चाहिए था. If one would have exited, तो तभी का जो loss था, it was around 1,000 rupees per lot. So this was the loss if one would have exited, but ideally the stop loss was not hit and हमारी positions were active. And जैसे कि अभी देख रहे हो position open है and we are getting a profit of around 3300, जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो. Also यहाँ पे जो premiums है वो भी almost zero है and it will become zero now. Currently the market is open. So this is the status of the last week expiry, and we will discuss the next week option trading plan for the next week, which is 25th November expiry. So I will just open the daily time frame chart. So this was a good downtrend move that we have seen in Nifty, but अगर हम देखें downside पे, the downside there is a support at only at 17,600, and the upside to resistance it will be at around this level, and again on this level I will just draw it. So 18,200 and 18,100 are the immediate resistance on the upside, but if we see तो यहाँ पे जो हमारे प्रीमियम्स है वो बहुत कम है, and possibly जो option के position से it won't be neutral. So we will go ahead and short one strike below the actual strike, which is 18,100, and that's why we are shorting 18,000 call option in this case. So I will just move. So on the upside we are shorting 18,000 call option, and on the downside जो है हम लोग 17,600 का put option short कर रहे हैं. And if you see तो जो हमारा gap है दोनों के बीच में, it is upside it is 250 points and the downside it is 150 points. So थोड़ा सा hedge हो जाएगा इस केस में. And also जो हमारा hedge वाला position रहेगा, it will be, we will be buying 200 points away option. So इस केस में 18,200 call option we will buy, and on the downside we will be buying 17,400 put option. So this will be the hedge position for us, and the exit strategy will be same. So if Nifty closes above 18,000 and if Nifty closes below 17,600 in between the expiry, so we will exit all the position that we have, and if Nifty trades in between this range, then we will not close our position and we will keep our position active till the expiry day to get the maximum premium that we have shorted. So this is about the technical analysis. Now we will see the premiums in the option. So 17,600 put option, 18,000 call option. तो सारे ऑप्शंस यहाँ पे हमने लोड कर लिए. सो यहाँ पे जस्ट अ मिनट, यहाँ पे 17,600 पुट ऑप्शन देगा. तो सारे ऑप्शंस यहाँ पे हमने लोड कर दिए, एंड वी आर गेटिंग डिसेंट प्रीमियम्स एज वेल, बिकॉज जो वोलेटिलिटी है इट इज ऑन द अपसाइड. So this is the option option premiums currently, and we are going to short 17,600 put option and 18,000 call option. And जो हमारा buying position रहेगा for the hedge, it will be 18,200 call option and 17,400 put option. So this is about the premiums in the options, and now we will see the payoff for the strategy. So 25th November expiry, we will select options here. So ये हमारा निकेट पोजीशन है, एंड यहाँ पे हमने सिर्फ 18,000 कॉल ऑप्शन एंड 17,600 पुट ऑप्शन शॉर्ट किया है. एंड इफ यू सी यहाँ पे जो हमारा रिस्क है वो अनलिमिटेड है और इट इज अनडिफाइंड रिस्क, एंड जो प्रॉफिट है इट इज अराउंड 5,000 रुपीज पर लॉट, एंड द मार्जिन रिक्वायर्ड इज अराउंड 1.15 lakhs. So now we will add the hedge position for this thing. $17,400 put option added and 18,200 call option. So we have loaded all the position finally, and जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे पे ऑफ देख रहे हो, so the maximum probability of profit is around 55%. The maximum profit that we can get is around 3,100 or 3,000 rupees per lot, and the maximum loss is in this case is minus 7,000. The margin that is required is around 48,000 rupees per lot. So this is the payoff for this position, and this is all about the position, and we have already discussed about the exit strategy that we are going to follow. So you can recheck the video again, and if you have any doubts related to this video or any strategy, then you can mention it in the comment section as well. And अगर आपको ऐसे और videos, if you want such videos in the future as well, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified for all the videos that we upload. And if you want this series to be continued for the option trading. Then you can also like this video. The more the number of likes, it will help us to create good videos like this, and also share it with our friends. So this is all about today's video. There is a disclaimer also with this video. Thank you guys.